really couldn't save him again.
Yeah, this guy's a freaking pervert. He gets more action than anyone I know. Oh.
You're disgusting that
You know, it's a good thing we don't have another dog. Because they'd be going to town all the time.
It'd be like rabbit. Baby, right?
He's like, oh. Damn, he's good. Why he's falling? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he still does it in the air.
Pikachu! Get some.
No more humping.
Yeah. He's like, oh, take that pillow.
You're horrible.
Oh, man, this is too funny.
You farted?
No. That's him getting some.
Why does it smell like shit then? No.
Hey, let him get it. You let him do it yesterday.
Poop like no tomorrow here. Good boy.
He pooped on the thing?
Yeah.
That's good.
Hurry up.